Dear viewers, welcome to valuespectrum.com. Today we take a look at the valuations and historical returns of the oil sector. In our menu on top you can see the bottom called returns. If we click on this, we directly go to the page with the historical returns of almost all listed equities in Europe and Russia and in the US. Here you see all these stocks listed alphabetically from almost all US, European and Russian markets. Based from here we can navigate, we can select separate countries or separate indices, but today we take a look at the oil sector. If we go to this tab, we can browse through all the different sectors. If we just go to the oil and gas producers, we get all the historical returns of all the oil and gas producers listed in United States, Europe and in Russia. Again, we see here all the companies listed alphabetically. So we, based from this long list, we can sort them based on their historical returns. Here on top you see, it's difficult, here you can see the historical returns of the past 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, 1 year, 3 months, the highest price, the lowest price and the current price. These are from last 24 hours, these high and lows. If you just want to see the best performing oil companies on the past 10 years, or the worst, we just click on the 10 years. Here we can see the worst oil and gas producers based on past 10 years return. Most of these companies I think should be bankrupt based on the extreme low returns, like Escalera, Wentworth, Intro Oil, Petrolia, Scana Industrier, Saipem. They all lost around 99% of their equity values, and we can go lower. Here we can see the returns going up, but still on average the average return over the past 10 years of the oil sector is 19%. This is excluding dividend returns. Over the past year it's a loss of almost 5%. Over the past 3 years it's minus 15% almost, and over the past 12 months the average oil stock lost around 23%. If we go back to this 10 years again, we see the highest returns based on the past 10 years. Here we see Novatek, Fuchs Petrolub, Core Laboratories, Dragon Oil, Airgas, etc. With extreme high returns. Novatek has won almost 455% over the past 10 years. Again, this is without dividend returns. And for Novatek we see also very good performances over the shorter periods. And again, we can sort them and we go from the top to lower. We see again the lower returns here. Thanks a lot for viewing.